Hello everyone, myself Abhijit Sinha, and today I am going to discuss about impact of the reform movements from chapter number 12, the impact of British rule on India. The socio-religious movement brought about remarkable changes in the society and religion. It means the socio-religious reform movement brought about many changes in the society and religion. That is, socio changes relate with society and a religious movement it is related with religion. This movement had a deep impact on the section of society all over India and strengthened both Hinduism and Islamism or Islam by eradicating many social evils. After eradicating many social evils, Hinduism and Islam unite or they strengthen their power in a cooperative manner or with togetherness. This is the main impact or main benefit from socio-religious movement. The educated Indian revived the past glory and helped in the formation of modern India. The reform movement also brought a cultural awakening. India saw a rapid development in the field of literature, science, and art. India also faced many changes or also having a rapid development with the field of literature, science, and art. There was a remarkable improvement in the status of and education of women. It means we can say that women empowerment begins. Laws were enforced to curb social evils. Many laws were enacted to enforce to curb social evils or eradicate social evils from our society. The reform movement created a middle class of teachers, doctors, lawyers, scientists, and journalists. Mostly they were educated. That's why only such groups of people are awakened and start movement against the social evils which exist in our society. That was with teachers, doctor, lawyers, scientists, and journalists, and also they belong to the middle class. This enlightened and educated class played a crucial and constructive role in the progress of India, and this movement helped India to make develop. The caste system had faced challenges since the times of Buddha and Mahavir. It is not mentioned that caste system only happens with the time of British. It is mentioned in India or seen in India at the time of or since the time of Buddha and Mahavir, where caste divided into four groups, that is Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra, and even earlier than that. But it was during the reform movement that the opposition to the caste system spread throughout India and among the all sections of the society. The movement was held by education contact with Europeans and printing press. All these helped the movement which spread in India against social evils, and the assistant were education, contact with Europeans, and printing press, etc. The printing press played a pivotal role or important role in mobilizing public opinion. It enabled the reformers to spread awareness through their writings. Many English educated Indians learned Sanskrit and translated books into English. The spirit of national pride instilled patriotism and prepared the ground for the rise of nationalism in India. It means many books and magazines or newspapers helped the people of India to create awareness among their country or the feeling of or enhance the feeling of nationalism, that is known as nationalist feeling. Moreover, people from different castes, communities, and religions came in closer contact, which gave a great impetus to the struggle for freedom in India. The most remarkable phenomenon was the surgence of national consciousness means its awareness and cultural unity. They develop cultural unity within the people of India. Now see the figure which shows the Gutenberg's printing press. The printing press developed by or started by Johann Gutenberg, a German printer. We developed a printing press in Germany in the time of 1930s. 1930s means 1930 to 39, and published the first book which known as Bible. तो इस चैप्टर में बस इतना ही. इसके बाद जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो आप लोगों को करवाया जा चुका है. ऑलरेडी उसका क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको भेज दिया गया है. तो क्वेश्चन आंसर का किसी भी तरह का कोई नीड नहीं है. बाकी चैप्टर जो था वो रिमेन रह गया था. दैट्स वाई आई एम हियर टू एक्सप्लेन द होल चैप्टर. ओके.